It is August 11th, 2006, and here is a peek at my tropical garden. We've had weather in the hundreds, and it's been pretty hot, but it's keeping up. So this is shrimp plant. The hummingbirds love it. I like it. I'm not crazy about this one because the leaves to me always look tired and dry even when they're not. Some shrimp plants I've seen have really dark glossy leaves. This one doesn't. These were standard tree form plants that I got last year, and I'm trying to let them grow out into a hedge, so I'm not pruning them. They have been growing kind of slow. It's hard for them because I think they're getting root bound because they are in pots, so they do require more water than the other ones do. We've got some different kinds of sweet potato vine. They're underplanted with those. I overwintered those in the garage as well. That bright green one is super typical, and it's a trailing type. And then I have some vining geraniums that are underplanted as well. I've got some elephant ear. I cannot remember the name of it. I want to say mojito, but I really don't think that's it. From last year that I was able to overwinter. Hardy hibiscus, Midnight Marvel, had its heyday earlier in the year, but still looking pretty. Got some cannas, some lantanas. Those all overwintered in my garage. Again, Arkansas USDA Zone 7B. Now this is a tropical hibiscus. This is a tropical hibiscus. We don't have any blooms on it that are blooming right now, but it's red. And then I've got some other tropicals I overwintered. Cordyline. Some canna. Pentas that aren't necessarily loving life down there. So it's looking good.